It's raining. Wow.
Oh, Sebastian got a good one on that.
Yeah.
Got a good one.
This is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. This is actually going on YouTube.
Surprisingly, this is here in Needles, so why is it here in Needles? You heard that? Good pass. You should have got that one.
Okay.
Come over there.
Oh God.
Told you.
It's so wonderful.
This actually isn't a storm. The aliens are coming to abduct us.
Whatever.
Just watched an alien movie.
If I even got you on here, you can't see you anyways.
That's what I was thinking.
Huh?
If I even put the camera on, you can't see you anyways. Too bad.
Don't put the camera on me.
You can see the lightning.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
You're not gonna be on anything. Instagram was an accident. You still can't see you.
There's the big one right there. That one will pop.
Whoa!
Did you get that one, Sebastian?
Yeah, I got that
you
one.
got that one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That was
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I got a YouTube. I'm on YouTube.
Alright. I don't know if that's alright or not, but whatever.
It's oh God.
Wow.
So this video. Listen.
People put retarded stuff on YouTube. You better not put no retarded stuff
I'm not
on
putting no retarded stuff.
Alright.